Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the set of two zero gravity chairs that I think that these are super cool. Not only for your patio, I gotta say, not only just for your patio, but also for going camping or fishing or for the beach, dude. For the beach, these ones can be a blast. So you can see one of them is already fixed, it's already fit over there. So this is how they come kind of like this way, folded. So to put them on is gonna be super easy. Just make sure that you have a flat position over here, and you can just extend them this way. And once you're done, you can just push it a little bit more, just like this, and making sure that these are locked. I'm going to show you the locks in a little bit. And once they're locked over here, you can just leave them this position and make sure that this one, you're gonna just have a way to just take a nap or enjoy or something like that. But let's take a closer look. I want to show you something. So I have one setup over here, but each one of these chairs, besides it comes with the instruction manual for knowing how to do it, it also comes with this. So you're gonna be able to put, for example, so I'm gonna show you right here, you can put your tablet, your phone, 2 drinks, and let's say that you can also use this table just to put something bigger if you want. I also like that it comes with this kind of a nice breathable mesh over here, so you can be out of the water, for example, and just like hop in here, and it's gonna be dripping under the chair, so you're not gonna have any issues. But also comes with this reinforced metal O-rings and also this elastic strap with the metal frame, that this one will make sure to support more than 300 pounds. So that's actually quite a lot of weight. Also, a really nice pillow that you can remove if you want, but I would just leave this pillow because it feels super good. And then this is how easy you can just kind of like swing from the chair position, which is this one over here, to the zero gravity position. Oh man, this is so awesome. And you have the locks right here. These are gonna be your locks right here on the sides, but I just wanna keep it a lock so I can just switch back to like this chair position, zero gravity position. This is so awesome, man. This is so nice. It feels so nice just to have this one to enjoy a really nice nap in your patio or something like that, or just taking them to the beach or camping, hiking, fishing. These are fantastic chair. Set of 2, you have all your holders here for your drinks and your devices. You have this very nice breathable mesh that supports 300 pounds and more, and you have this pillow over here for a really nice relaxing experience. I love these chairs. I do recommend them.